How to find the cheap flights for international? Go to the Play Store and search for Kayak, Kayak, and search it. You will find 10 million plus downloads, 4.7 ratings, and you just need to open it. And from here, you can simply search like this, and you can look for anywhere you want. Let's say if you want like this and search it, it will give you the results for lower prices. You can see it is searching right now, and it doesn't take much time. You can actually compare the real-time prices, and it is better than many apps. That's why the ratings are way better. You can see the results. You can change the INR or dollar or whatever the currency you want to. Have a wonderful day.